Alright, this is an old geothermal unit. Customer said it started tripping the breaker, and I don't know if you can see that, but power's off, of course. That's the super boost. It's actually melted through that line voltage wire, which probably shorted out against this housing, so I'm going to try to clean that up and see if we can make her run again. Hopefully it didn't do any other damage other than melting that super boost. This is that start capacitor I took out. Sorry if there's an echo, but I'm in my garage. This thing stinks. But can't really make out a whole lot inside of where that relay used to be. I don't know if you can see on this plate, which is like right here. I think you can see some contacts right there. But I'm guessing that the relay closed and it never dropped out of the circuit, so overheated and melted the massive hole in the side of it, and eventually melted the line voltage wire and tripped the breaker. So there's not a whole lot to be said about the inside of there, because I can't tell what's what. It just looks like a bunch of charcoal to me. That's just all the crap that fell out of it when I took it apart. But I was hoping there'd be more stuff in there to look at, but it's pretty well cooked. So I had a service call tripping the breaker for the air handler, and that is what I found in the disconnect. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's just a charcoal nightmare in there. It actually got so hot, I don't know if you can see that, but looks like it either sooted up the truss real good or was trying to burn it. But yeah, never seen one that burn up before, so hopefully it was just loose connections or something. But we'll put another one in and see what happens.